Hello and welcome to my ENME351 final project. For my project, I have chosen to create a device that will sense an increase in humidity over a stovetop and then actuate to turn on the hood vent over the stovetop to remove said humidity from the stove area. For this, I'm using a DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor that reads humidity and temperature from a library that is found on adafruit.com, the company that makes the sensor. This sensor has 3 pins. The green pin goes to 5 volts, this orange pin goes to ground, and the yellow pin connects to a pin on the Arduino. I've chosen pin 2 for that. There is a resistor that goes between the 5 volt and pin 2 so that it can decrease any noise. So depending on the values I have set, so in my Arduino code I have set that humidity has to be over 90%. Once humidity is over 90%, it digital writes the servo here with the brown wire connected to ground, the orange connected to 5 volts, and the yellow connected to pin 9 on the Arduino to digital write high and turn on the servo itself. To demonstrate, I will show you by blowing on my humidity sensor, since the human breath has moisture, and temperature, since your body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit on the inside. So right now it's about 75 degrees in my apartment because our humidity hasn't kicked on yet, and the humidity is about 54. So when I blow, humidity goes to 99, it reads fan on. As you saw, my servo actuated. I created this project because I'm an avid pasta eater, and so is everybody in my apartment. But we're all very busy gals, and we really enjoy doing our schoolwork and trying to make pasta at the same time. So to solve this problem, I have devised this system. This way, we can multitask by cooking other things in the kitchen or working on homework, and we can rely on the sensor and the actuator to turn on the hood vent once the water starts boiling. Another problem that we face in our apartment is that sometimes our smoke alarm likes to detect humidity as smoke, and one of my roommates also does not enjoy watching her food while it cooks. So it burns, and we would like to have a reliable system to prevent any more smoke alarms from going off in the apartment. So here we have the setup at the stove top with a soon-to-be pan of boiling water, my computer set up with the Arduino and processing codes connected to my breadboard Arduino with the sensor hanging directly over the pot of soon-to-be boiling water, and my sensor that will be hitting the switch. On top there is a piece of a wine cork because it is a lot thicker and stronger, so it will be able to actuate the source a lot easier. As you can see, the actuator has tapped in the fan, and the water is obviously boiling, and the humidity is about 99% right now. So the hood vent is on, there will be no instances of a smoke alarm going off, and the pasta will theoretically boil to a perfect al dente amount.